Hey everybody, well we are coming to a festival here in Ocean Shores, so we thought we would show you some of it. It's called the Sand and Sawdust Festival. It's actually a pretty big event that happens here in Ocean Shores it's the last weekend of June of every year. They did not have it last year, but they're having it again this year, so we're going to show you some. So there are a lot of vendors here, with food vendors and crafts vendors. They sell some little knickknacks and some sayings. And then there's wood carving. Over there, we'll be going over there in a minute, but there's wood carving. And there's also some sand sculptures. Like I said, this is a really, really big event. Kettle corn, we sell that with our concession company. We've got hamburgers and hot dogs and cotton candy.
That's so nice that you do that. Thank you for taking care of the cat.
They have the old logo for the Seattle Mariners. got some clothing vendors here. How's it going?
Doing all right. How are you?
Doing well. Vendor that sells Greek type food. It looks like gyros and Greek salads and now we're going to go inside the convention center. That's where this event is taking place, the Ocean Shores Convention Center. And we're going to go inside because there's other vendors inside.
This city has a special morning voice. Speaks to me through an open window, masquerading as noise. 10 million people waking up, and somehow I'm the lucky guy who gets to make you a coffee cup. And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. And if I stumble and fall, if I make a mess of it all, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. This city can be hard and unforgiving. You better know who you are. You brought me back to the living. You were my guiding star. And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost,
The garlic peppers? Yes, sir. One of my last 3 on the table.
That is good.
Hi.
Great rest of your day.
Are you happy now?
Very good. Okay, so we are heading back out. We saw all of the the booths inside, and we got some pepperoni. This is garlic pepper flavor. It's a real savory, and it's very, very good. And talk to the vendors. They don't make it themselves. They have it made in Wisconsin, but it's very, very tasty. So this is a very, very cool event out here in Ocean Shores called the Sand and Sawdust Festival. And they have one sawdust or one sand sculpture I saw that we're gonna go take a look at. But this is a very, very cool event. So if you're coming out to Ocean Shores next year, last weekend of June, you definitely want to come and check out this event.
And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall.
We stopped at the Pirates Cove Grub and Grog. We've been told they have the best fish and chips in Ocean Shores. We live in Ocean Shores and we normally go to Bennett's Seafood Shack, and so we think they have the best, but we're gonna give them a shot and try their fish and chips and see how they are compared to Bennett's. We'll see on the inside. So we have gotten our seat and now we're gonna take a look at their menu.
And I will do my best to recall.
Was it pretty bad?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're starting to get our food, and Anita, she got the fish and chips with coleslaw, looks really good. And Dad got the clam chowder, also looks very, very tasty. Cindy and I are still waiting on ours, it should be here momentarily.
So for where
Cindy
from my
and I
slaw?
got our
Oh, they never did.
food, and Cindy got
But I don't need it. I
fish
don't like
and chips,
it
but instead of potatoes, French fries, she got homemade chips, homemade potato chips. Look really good with coleslaw. And I got fish and chips with traditional fries and coleslaw. Looks good. Well, we ate at the Pirates Cove, and it wasn't bad. So the fish was not bad, and the fries were not bad. And it was the chips were very interesting. They were homemade, and they actually tasted okay. So, all right. So we're gonna give a thumbs up to the Pirate Cove.